Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on how you can log in on your Binance account or your Binance app. So let's get started with it. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe. So first of all, launch your Binance app. And on your home page, this kind of interface will appear. So what you need to do is you see two options here, login and sign up. You need to tap on login since we're logging in this video. After that, you may just continue with Google or you may enter your email or phone number. And right now I have a Google account, so I'm gonna continue with Google. After choosing my Google account, it may take a few seconds, and enter your password. After entering your password, they will ask you for a code that you will receive in your email. You just need to type in that code and you will be directed towards your Binance account. So in that way, you can log in your Binance account very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.